Let's transform this blank canvas into a productivity powerhouse. Here's how I set up my Notion, and hopefully it'll inspire your own unique workspace. First, I create my main homepage, acting as a central hub. I divide it into 4 key sections for easy navigation. Quick Capture is where I dump all my random thoughts and to-dos throughout the day. I just create a simple text block, making it easy to jot things down without losing focus. Next up is Tasks, which is a database to manage all my action items. I add properties like due date, priority level and status to keep everything organized. Projects is a Kanban board where I visualize all my ongoing projects, moving tasks through different stages of completion. This helps me see the bigger picture and stay on track. Finally, Resources is where I store all my important links, documents, and templates. It's like my digital filing cabinet, keeping everything accessible in one place. Don't forget to customize your space with cover images, icons, and fonts to make it feel more personal and inspiring. This is just one way to set up Notion. Experiment with different layouts, workflows, and customization options to find what works best for you, and ultimately create a space that helps you achieve your goals.